Once upon a time, in a land where elements ruled the kingdoms, there lived two extraordinary princesses, Princess Sabrina of Fire and Princess Sophie of Water. Though they were born in different lands, their friendship was stronger than the flames of Sabrina's kingdom and the calm waters of Sophie's. Princess Sabrina was fiery, fierce, and full of energy. She had bright red hair that sparkled like burning embers, and her fiery powers allowed her to control the flames around her. Her kingdom was a land of warmth, where volcanoes erupted and lava flowed like rivers. Sabrina loved to light up the skies with spectacular fire displays and make the land glow with warmth and light. Princess Sophie, on the other hand, was gentle, calm, and full of wisdom. Her kingdom was surrounded by vast oceans, peaceful lakes, and gentle rivers. She had long, flowing blue hair that shimmered like the sea, and her powers allowed her to control water, whether it was calming waves or creating powerful rainstorms. Sophie loved using her water powers to help others, bringing rain to dry lands and creating soothing rivers that flowed through her kingdom. Though their kingdoms were very different, Sabrina and Sophie shared a deep bond. They had met when they were young and had quickly become the best of friends. Despite their differences, they complemented each other perfectly. One day, a great storm began to form in the skies. The winds howled, the sky turned dark, and the ground began to shake. A dangerous fire had spread across Sabrina's kingdom, while Sophie's waters became flooded, rising higher and higher. The balance between fire and water was lost, and the world seemed to be on the brink of disaster. Sabrina and Sophie knew they had to work together to restore balance. Sabrina, with her fiery strength, and Sophie, with her calming waters, would have to find a way to bring peace between their two elements. "We can't let this storm destroy both of our kingdoms," Sabrina said, her fiery eyes filled with determination. "I know, but the fire is too strong, and the water is rising too fast," Sophie replied, her face worried. "What can we do?" Sabrina thought for a moment. Then, an idea sparked in her mind. "What if we combined our powers? Your water can put out the fire, and my flames can calm the rising waters." Sophie nodded, seeing the wisdom in Sabrina's plan. Together, the two princesses stood side by side, ready to face the storm. Sabrina called upon her fiery powers, creating bright flames that swirled around her. Sophie called upon her water, sending gentle waves that began to rise and flow around her. As the fire and water collided in a beautiful dance of light and movement, the storm began to calm. Sabrina's flames pushed back the wildfires, while Sophie's waters gently extinguished the flames and controlled the rising tides. Together, they created a harmonious balance between fire and water, restoring peace to their lands. With their combined efforts, the storm slowly faded away. The sky cleared, and the sun began to shine brightly once more. The fire was under control, and the waters were calm. "You did it, Sophie!" Sabrina cheered, her fiery powers glowing brightly in celebration. "You did it too, Sabrina," Sophie replied, smiling as the cool waters around her sparkled in the sunlight. From that day forward, Sabrina and Sophie continued to work together, bringing peace to their kingdoms and showing that even the most powerful elements could work in harmony when guided by friendship and understanding. Thanks for watching Sabrina and Sophie, the Princesses of Fire and Water, on Ritzy Lucy channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories, adventurous princesses, and unforgettable friendships.